Hey folks, check this out. My son Edgel had a communications project at school where he had to shoot an instructional video, and he chose to do an instructional video on making this skull. So I thought I would show you that video because I think it's really, really impressive considering he produced it himself. He did all the work. The only thing Mom did was do the camera, and he even did all the editing. So it's a really, really good project, and he has some raw talent. So give him a lot of thumbs up. Give him a lot of good comments and try to encourage him. And he has some other craft skills too that you guys might want to see. So if we can get him pumped up for that, then maybe he'll come join us. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Edgel Williams, and this is my communications final project, a leather skull candle holder. Let's see how to make it. The first thing I had to do was buy the pattern online and print it off. When we print, we have to use a larger paper called A4 or legal sized. You want to grab some veg tan leather, and we're going to need a pen, an awl, and some anvils to keep the leather down. Right now, we're just going to trace the leather with that pen, and then we are going to poke some holes in it with the awl. After that, after you get it all traced and poked, you're going to want to cut it up with some leather scissors. So we got the pattern all cut out. We're going to need a spray bottle filled with water, a wooden stylus, and a swivel knife. Now you're just going to want to spray your leather and then place your paper pattern over it, and we're going to trace the cracks. Now we're going to spray our leather again and use that swivel knife on those indentations we made from the wooden stylus. And The swivel knife is going to not cut through all of the leather, but it's going to give it a nice cracked effect. I grabbed some Resolene and I poured it into this little cup with a sponge. Resolene will give it a nice shiny looking coat and it'll waterproof it. Now we're going to grab some antique gel with some latex gloves and paper towels. You want to pour as much antique gel as you think is needed, but you can always scoop it back up and put it back when you're done. Now we're just going to wet one of our paper towels so that whenever we clean up the antique gel, it soaks up real nice. You just want to use your fingers for this part. You just dip your finger in the antique gel. You just want to rub it on the leather. It doesn't really matter if it gets everywhere. It'll look real nice. We let the antique gel set for a couple minutes. And we're going to wipe it off with the paper towel to get most of it off, and then the rest we're going to dab it off to give it a nice dirty looking effect. Now enjoy my hole punching time lapse. We're using a .40 wax thread made for leather. So now we're just finishing up our stitches. Once we get the rest in, it'll be fully finished. that's the end of the video, guys. And if you enjoyed that, you should totally give me an A.